চন্দ্ৰ মহন্ত আজি মই ৰিলেশ্যন আৰু ফাংচনৰ পিছৰ এক্সাৰসাইজটো আৰম্ভ কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছোঁ। সেইটো হৈছে ক্লাছ 12ৰ। সো সেইটো টপিকটো হৈছে কম্পজিশ্যন অফ ফাংচন। সো মই ইয়াৰ আগতো এটা ৰিলেশ্যন আৰু ফাংচনৰ আগৰ এক্সাৰসাইজৰ বিষয়ে এটা ভিডিঅ' দিছোঁ। যদি আপোনালোকে চাওঁ বুলি ভাবে চাব পাৰিব। সো মই বেছি দেৰি নকৰোঁ, মই তেতিয়াহ'লে ক্লাছৰ আগবাঢ়িবলৈ বিচাৰিছোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকৰ ধৈৰ্য ধৰি ভিডিঅ'টো শেষলৈকে চাবলৈ যত্ন কৰিব। শেষত বহুতো কথা আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম। সো ধৈৰ্য ধৰি আপোনালোকে লাষ্টলৈ চাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিব। ঠিক আছে, সো মই আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। The composition of function. The composition of function means let if we consider two function, that is f and g, be two function, okay, then the composition of this f and g we can define or denoted by what? G dot f. We can denote a composition of function g dot f, okay, and it is defined by it is defined as the function what? A to c given by g dot f of x equal to g of f of x. Means if you take one element from the set A, then if it is function from A to B, then you get a what? Image in what? B. Again it is B to C if you take another function, that is g. So again you will get the image of g of f of x. Means composition of a function f and g, finally you will get what? Composition of f and g, finally you will get f of g of f of x. And here we combine what? Two function f and g. If we combine these two function, we get composition of a function. Composition of a function is defined as what? G dot f of x equal to g f of x, okay, for x belongs to a. So for মানে ডেফিনেশ্যনটো ইজি হ'বৰ কাৰণে মই এটা এক্সাম্পল ল'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ। তো এক্সাম্পলটো লোৱা হৈছে, ধৰা হ'ল এটা ফাংচন কি হৈছে 2, 3, 4, 5 পৰা 3, 4 ইয়ালৈ গৈছে, মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈ গৈছে, and another function g is goes from here to here. So we consider two function, and this function is defined as what? F of 2 equal to 3, মানে f of 2 is goes to image of actually f of 2 equal to 3, f of 3 equal to 4, f of 4 or f of 5 equal to 5. In this way it is defined. G of 3 equal g of 3 and g of 4 equal to 7, g of 5, g of 9 equal to 11. Now you have to find the composition of these two function f and g. So for composition, so we know g dot f, so you have to take one element from the what? A. That's first set, okay. So for every first set has a, if you take one element from this set, then every composition function has a image in the set what? C. That's this part, okay. So g dot f of 2, so we can consider, if you take this, we can write this like what? G of f of 2, and f of 2 already it is given, f of 2 means 3, so we put here 3. Now finally you get what? G of 3. What is the value of g of 3? G of 3 is 7, okay. Means composition function, if you take one element from the set A, then this composition function has an image in what? Set C, that is 7. This is from the element what? C, okay. Similarly for the second function g dot f3, in this way you get what? G of 4, means g of 4 already is given 7. G dot f of 4, then we can write this g dot g of f of 4. So f of 4 is what? 5. So here you get what? 5. So g of 5 it is given what? 1. So this composition function has a image in what? This. So similarly g dot f of 5. So g of f of 5. F of 5 it is given what? 11. So sorry, f of 5 is given 5. So we put here what? 5. Now g of 5 is equal to what? 11. So this is a example of a composition function. Okay, so composition function we have already learned. Okay, now is there any doubt? Then you can ask me. You can comment in the comment box. Okay, now I take another question. So find z dot f and f dot j. If a function is f is defined as f is from R to R and g also R to R, given by f of x is cos x and g of x is 3x is y, show that whether z dot f is equal to f dot j. And composition of g and f or composition of f of g is equal or not, you have to verify. Okay, we have what? It is given f of x is cos x and g of x is 3x square. So g dot f of x, so we can write this what in the form of g f of x. Already it is given f of x is equal to what? Cos x. So we put here cos x. Now g of cos x. Now you see g of x is 3x square. So you have to put in the place of x, what you have to put? Cos x. So this is 3 cos square. So we can write this as 3 cos square x. Okay. Similarly, we find the composition of f dot g. So f dot g, what you get? So here f g of x, already g of x is given 3x square. We put here 3x square. Now what is the value of f of 3x square? In the place of x you have to put 3x square. So finally you get what? Cos of 3x square. Whether these two composition are equal or not, we know what? 3 cos square x is not equal to what? Cos 3x square. At what? X is equal to 0. If you put here x equal to 0, then here value will be 3 and here will be what you get? Here you will get what? 1. Whether it is 3 is equal to 1? No. So therefore composition of z dot f is not equal to f dot z. Clear? Okay. Now I consider another question. Show that if f such that a to b and another function g b to c are 1 these two functions f and g are 1 so you have to show, you have to prove whether the composition g dot f is 1 or what. So we take two elements from the set A, okay, such that in such a way composition z dot f x1 is equal to z dot f x2. So we can write this what? Z bracket f of x1 and z f of x2. So here these two are what? Z is a what? As z is 1 so if it is 1 their element in between what? They are equal. So f of x1 and f of x2 is equal. Similarly again f is what? 1 so what you get? Finally you get x1 equal to x2. So according to the definition of 1 if you take two elements in the set A in such a way that f of x1 is equal to f of x2, finally if you get x1 is equal to x2 then it is 1 so here what you get? Here we get x1 is equal to x2, hence z dot f is what? 1 clear? My video to just korisu jodi kiba bhul banti hoy apnaloke mok comment box ot janabo just chesta korisu bhul banti hoa to hobo pare. So moi mainly etia jitu lockdown poristiti cholise tar babe moi high secondary degree class 12 for student hitu upokito hobo pare tar babe moi ei video to posted korisu. ঠিক আছে এনেকা ভিডিওবোৰ পাবৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিছে এটা লাইক কৰিব। তো মই এতিয়া নতুন ইয়াৰ যেটো কম্পোজিট ফাংচনৰ কেইটামান এক্সাৰসাইজৰ কেইটামান কোৱেশ্চন কৰিবলৈ আগবাঢ়িছো। তো এক্সাৰসাইজ 1.3 কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 1 let a function f and g defined by what? f 1, 2 like that. G is 1,3, 2,3 and 5,1. Write down, you have to write down what? You have to write g dot f. So I write here, given that f goes from what? 1,3,4 to 1,2,5, like that g also defined. So here it is given f is what? Contain 1,2, 3,5, 4,1 and z contain 1,3, 2,3 and 5,1. So image of 1 is 2, image of 3 5 and image of 4 is 1. Here also g of 1 is equal to 3, g of 2 equal to 3, g of 5 equal to 1. Now you have to find what? Composition of g dot f. So what element you have to take? Actually you have to take, when you find the g dot f, you have to take element from the set what? This first set. So you have to find a composition of this element. So these two function from, you have to take element from the set A. Okay, this is, we can consider set A. So g dot f1. So according to the definition, you can write this g f of 1. Already it is given f of 1 means what? 2. So here you get g of 2. Now finally g of 2 equal to what? G of 2 equal to 3. So here we get 3. Similarly g dot f3, g f3 is what? 5. So g5 equal to 1. Similarly g dot f4, f4 is given 1. So here you get g of 1 equal to what? G of 1 equal to 3. So finally what you get? Composition, means g dot f is equal to what? There, if you write in order pair, if you take 1, then image is 3, if 3, image is 1, if 4, image is 3, like that. Okay, clear? Okay, now I consider another question. Find g dot f and g dot f dot g if f of x equal to modulus of x and g of x equal to 5x minus 2. So it is given f of x equal to modulus x and g of x equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. So now you have to find g dot f of x. G, we can write this g of f of x. So f of x is given modulus of x, here we put her modulus x. So now g of x, so g of x means what? Modulus of 5. In the place of x you have to put modulus of x to this. Okay, similarly f dot g, so this is f g of x. Now g of x is what? Modulus of 5x minus 2. So now f of this, already it is given f of x is modulus of x, so you have to put here double modulus. Okay, double modulus means this modulus. Finally you get modulus of 5x minus 2. Okay, so আজি মই ইয়াতে সামৰণি মাৰিছো। সো আৰু বাকি যিখিনি আমাৰ কোৱেশ্চন আছে সেইখিনি আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছত ডিসকাস কৰিম। যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিছে আপোনালোকে শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু যদি কিবা ভুলভ্ৰান্তি হৈছে তা কমেন্ট বক্সত জনাব। আশা কৰিছো আপোনালোকে অলপ হলেও উপকৃত হ'ব। ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ।